Frosty, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another exciting unboxing video. I did a lot of shopping here in Bali. I mean, there are so many great places here where you can find all kinds of beautiful exotic designs. All I can say is that Bali is such a shopping heaven. There are a lot of boutiques with Australian and European concept. Because Bali is such an international creative hub, you can find all kinds of creative people here in Bali from all over the world, and the designs here, it's like it's a combination of all kinds of culture. Yeah, so that's why I mean the design here is really unique. And let's get it started with the unboxing. I have 5 different items to unbox. I think I should start with something. I can't decide which I should start it with, but I think okay, let's start it from this cute little item I got from Amalfi Moon. I found it yesterday. It's so cute. It's just so cute. It's actually a journal. It's a really lovely boutique. Yeah, I just found it by random. Yeah, yesterday. And ta-da! This is a gratitude journal and it's super cute. You can see like in different pages there's a beautiful quotes and what I'm thankful for, intentions for the day, different columns. Yeah, for daily affirmations, great things happened to me today, biggest challenge and things I want to let go. I just find it's the one for me. It's actually from Sand and Paper. They are different kind of like journal, like for creation, for intuition, that I just feel this is the one for me. Okay, so this is item number 1. Next we have this. I found it at the Kind Community Thrift Market. It's so cute. Ooh, look at this. I got an oversized t-shirt. I think it's a very good pajamas. Yeah, and it's so comfy. Yeah, it's so cute. It's home is Bali. Yeah, it's really my vibes anyway. I love it. And it's like orangey. So item number 3, what's next? Guess what I have for the 3rd item? You can tell from the shape, right? It's a cute cup I found at the store here. Ta-da! It's so cute. I think I'll use it as a cup, or if not, probably I will use it to put my toothbrush. I love the design. It's kind of love at first sight. And I also got this cute little plate from the same store. Ta-da! It's love shape. It's so cute, right? Oh my god. I'm just going to make my avocado toast or sandwich. Yeah, using this plate. Love, it's everything in it, isn't it? Lastly, here is a cute little design I found at Earth Circus. Yeah, look at the back. It's a strong, powerful feminine energy. And let's unbox it. Ta-da! I found this dress. Oh my god. I think it's called Kano Night. And I love it. It's so cute. It's an off tone, it's a beige color dress, and I can't wait to wear it in maybe ubud or kuta. Yeah, it's a really classy dress. It's also very comfy. I love all the details. It's another, I think it's going to be one of my top favorite boutique in Bali anyway. I actually have another shoes to unbox, but I haven't received it yet. But I don't want to wait until I receive it, then I do this unboxing. I hope you enjoy watching this video. To come, stay tuned. Bye! Lots of love from Bali. Oh yeah, and remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friend who want to do shopping in Bali, okay? See ya! Bye!